Planning to upgrade your door lock security at home? Then watch this video as I unbox a tutorial on how to install the device by yourself and demonstrating how to register the different type of unlocking method. This is WELOCK Smart Lock Cylinder ToucA51 Fingerprint Door Lock with Keypad. By the way, if you wanted to purchase the different type of lock they have, then you may visit their website, WELOCK.com. Or you may click the link on the description section below to go directly to the page if you wanted to purchase this device. For me, the good thing of this device is that the installation process is very easy and simple. Removing only one screw and your door locking system is upgraded to a modern one. Aside from easy installation, a simple touch by your fingers or by your smartphone, unlocking your door makes it easier. Forget the old ways of locking or unlocking your door. Carrying those bulky keys, sometimes we might misplace it and possibly getting lost. No more worries on those instances. Upgrade your door locking system with this device. But before that, let's do an unboxing first, so you will have an idea what is included in the box. First, you will have the user guide manual with different language translation. All I can say, the manual was very easy to follow and understandable. This device is not only for home, it is ideal also for Airbnbs, rentals, and offices. Enjoy full, keyless freedom anytime, anywhere. Then here's some accessories and extras. This 3 pieces of RFID card. Later I will demonstrate how to register this. Then a screwdriver. Then this lock cylindrical extension with screw, and later I will demonstrate where you can attach this. And then you will have Allen key, pin, and some extra screws. Be careful in removing those screws, they are very tiny. And of course the WELOCK Smart Lock Cylinder ToucA51 Fingerprint Door Lock with Keypad. The device is a bit heavy, constructed with stainless steel plus polycarbonate plastic. ToucA51 withstands daily wear and harsh conditions. It operates reliably from -25°C to 60°C and endures over 100,000 pressing cycles. So if you will be doing an installation, be sure you're not with your kids just to avoid accidents. And this ID number will be used to bind the app and the device. You may find also this printed in the box. In order for you to connect the device and the app, scan this QR code using the WELOCK application, and then type the ID number, and then OK. And this is how to install this device by your own. The European standard for door lock cylinder is like this. So, how to install this WELOCK Smart Lock Cylinder ToucA51 Fingerprint Door Lock with Keypad. First, you need to remove the screw that holds the cylinder, and then we need also the door lock key. After unscrewing, then rotate the door key little so you can pull and remove the cylinder. Of course, this device cannot be inserted unless you remove first the knob that faces inside. Make it sure that the hole of the screw of the cylinder is aligned with the main screw hole of the door lock. When it is exactly aligned, then return the screw so that it will fully secure the cylinder. Then attach back the knob so that it will be fully operational. And how was that? By yourself you can change and install this device. As easy as that. So how to register the different unlocking method? First we need to put the battery. As you can see, the Allen screw is a bit tiny. Be careful in removing this because you have only one screw extra. Pull this cover a little on this side. So this is powered by 3 pieces of AAA batteries, and it is not included in the box. As the manual says, please buy it by yourself. I suggest better buy a rechargeable batteries, so you can save your money. And one of the example is this one. I purchased this on Temu. The good thing of this is, you can charge by Type-C charging cable directly. You just need an extra battery so whenever it is out of power, you can easily interchange. As you can see, the body of the knob has a printed on how the battery will be positioned in each compartment. There is no power button. Once the battery is in place properly and the cover touches the battery, you will hear a sound beeping. Means it is turn on. And then to fully close the battery cover, use the screw. Still, a reminder, the screws are very tiny. Be careful when putting in. As you notice, there's a Type-C port. This will be used only if you forget to change the battery when it has run out of power. You may plug in into a power bank and unlock the door using the app. Later, I will demonstrate how. So if the width of the door is a bit wider, loosen the screw in this hole using the Allen key. This can be adjusted to maximum of 20 millimeters. Then if you notice, there is green rubber plug on the plastic container. You can insert that here after taking the desired length. On this side, you can adjust also the length of the knob if it is needed, just by adding the cylindrical extension lock. First, remove the knob using the Allen key. This is the wrong way of putting this extension cylinder. And this is the correct way. As you can see, both sides must be aligned with this screw stopper design. Then, of course, to strengthen the extension, screw in the middle tightly, so you will have a fully operational knob. And that's it. Done with the physical appearance of the knob. Now it's time to register the different type of unlocking method. And this is how to register the passcode, RFID cards, and fingerprints manually. This demonstration is on how to register the admin unlocking method. A total of 10 admin can be registered on this device, which is good because sometimes we tend to forget or lost one of those unlocking method. So it means we will still have another option to access the settings. And then, a total 190 user can be registered in any form of unlocking method. The first thing is to modify the passcode. To start, press the 0. Then press the lock icon 2 times. Then enter the default passcode, 123456. Then press the lock icon. Then enter your new 6 digits lock combination. Then press the lock icon. Then enter again your new 6 digits passcode. Then press again the lock icon. And it's done. So how to register RFID card? Then this is how to do it. First, press 0. Then press the lock icon 2 times. Then enter your new passcode. Then press the lock icon, and then to register for admin, press 1, and to register for the user, press 2. Lastly, swipe the card and that's it. since I have a smartwatch that supports NFC. Then I've tried to register the same procedure as RFID, and it works. So how to register the fingerprint unlocking method? First, press 0, then press the lock icon 2 times. Then enter the passcode or swipe your admin RFID card. Then press the lock icon. Then press 1 for admin user. But if you want to register as a user, then press 2 instead of 1. Then tap the finger you want to register for 5 times. If the recognition light is green color, then means it is accepted. But if it is red light color, then it's not. How does lock mechanism works? This is in locked status. When the door is in locked mode, the knob can be rotated 360 degrees freely. To unlock, press any key to wake up the device. Then unlock the desired method you want to use. Every time you unlock the device, you will hear a notification sound. On this status, it's on unlocking mode, but please do unlock immediately as this device will automatically lock. If you enter the wrong passcode for 5 times in a row, the smart lock will be locked for 90 seconds and cannot be operated. If it's your first time using this device, you may scan the QR code printed on the box, or you may search WELOCK app to Apple Store or Google Play and download it. Just a reminder, if you don't have WELOCK Wi-Fi box, unlocking the door via app will work only through Bluetooth. And also the notification is useless because I am notified when I unlock the door using the app only. To unlock the door using the app, just press this icon, and it will unlock automatically. As you can see, I am notified. But when I've tried to unlock the door in any form of unlocking method manually, I didn't receive any notification. So I believe that this app will be fully functional if it has an access to Wi-Fi, and that is through WELOCK Wi-Fi box. So in the event that the battery is in run out of power and we forget to change it, the second option is to use a power bank. As a demonstration, I remove the battery and I will only use the power bank instead. Well, it uses a USB Type-C cable. The fingerprint scanner and the physical buttons doesn't work at all. So how this device can unlock? So with your smartphone, unlocking your door is possible. In the app, press first the USB port icon. Then press the lock icon to unlock it. So, how was that? And in the event that you wanted to clear all the users, this can be done through app, or do it manually. Then this is how to do it. Press 0, then press the lock icon twice. Then enter the admin passcode or use the admin fingerprint or swipe admin RFID. Then press the lock icon. Then press number 3. Then press the lock icon, and it's done. And if you wanted to reset the device manually, then this is how to do it. Press 0, then press the lock icon twice. Then enter admin passcode, or use the admin fingerprint, or swipe the admin RFID card. Then press the lock icon, then press number 4. Then press the lock icon, and it's done. Well, for me, this WELOCK Smart Lock Cylinder ToucA51 Fingerprint Door Lock with Keypad is really a great option on upgrading our door lock system into a digital one. Installation process is very easy. Just removing one screw and goodbye to an old way of locking our door. Though I don't recommend this for older people, because might be hard for them to adopt new technologies. And besides, I'm not saying this is the perfect one. Nothing in this world is perfect. There are cons and pros. It's a matter on how we embrace that. And that's it. If you reached till in this part, thank you so much. Your comments is highly appreciated. Please do subscribe and like as well.